In 2025, the Airbus A340 is supposed to be dead. It's a relic from the 1990s. It has 4 engines, which means it burns fuel like a tank and costs a fortune to maintain. Every major airline, Air France, Virgin Atlantic, Emirates, has sent them to the scrapyard. They are inefficient, loud, and obsolete. But look at Lufthansa. As of late 2025, the German giant is still flying 22 of them. They aren't just flying them on short hops, they are flying them on premier routes to Boston, New York, and Los Angeles.
Why?
Is Lufthansa nostalgic? Are they stupid?
No.
They are geniuses. While other airlines are drowning in debt buying the latest, efficient jets, Lufthansa has turned these gas-guzzling dinosaurs into a secret money-printing machine.
Oh.
They have a cheat code that no other airline has. A secret weapon that flips the economics of aviation upside down. To understand why, you have to look at the price tag. A brand new, fuel-efficient Airbus A340-1000 costs about $350 million. Even if an airline gets a discount, they are paying millions of dollars every month in mortgage payments to the banks. It's a massive, crushing weight on their balance sheet. Now, look at Lufthansa's A340s. They bought them 20 years ago. They are fully paid off. The mortgage payment on an A340 is 0. This is the first part of the secret. Yes, the A340 burns more fuel. A lot more. But when you aren't paying a $2 million monthly mortgage to a bank, you can afford to buy a lot of extra jet fuel and still come out ahead. During the pandemic, this strategy saved them. When travel stopped, other airlines were bleeding cash paying for parked jets. Lufthansa's A340s sat on the tarmac, costing them nothing. And when travel roared back, Lufthansa didn't have to wait 3 years for a new plane order. They just turned the key, and their free fleet was ready to fly. But "it's free" is only half the story. You still have to fill the seats. And this is where Lufthansa's strategy gets clever. They don't fly these old birds to budget destinations. They fly them on high-yield routes. Business travel. The A340-600 is a flying bank vault. It has 8 first-class suites, 56 business-class seats, and a premium economy cabin. The passengers on these flights aren't looking for the cheapest ticket. They are paying $4,000, $8,000, or more. They care about schedule, comfort, and the brand. And here's a secret about the A340. Passengers love it. Because it has 4 engines, it doesn't need massive, booming twins under the wings. It's quieter. And because the fuselage is wider, the economy seats are laid out in a 2-4-2 configuration. No one is ever more than 1 seat from the aisle. Lufthansa uses the obsolete plane to offer a better experience than the cramped, modern, efficient jets. The high ticket prices easily cover the extra fuel bill. But there is one problem that kills old planes: maintenance. An old plane breaks. A lot. And a plane with 4 engines has double the things that can break compared to a twin jet. For most airlines, the cost of fixing an out-of-production A340 would be a death sentence. Parts are scarce. Experts are retired. This is where Lufthansa plays its ace card. Their secret weapon, Lufthansa Technik. Lufthansa owns one of the largest, most sophisticated aircraft maintenance companies on Earth. While other airlines have to pay premium rates to outside mechanics or wait weeks for a rare part to be shipped from a scrapyard, Lufthansa does it all in-house. They have the spare parts. They have the engineers who built the thing. They have a warehouse full of engines. It costs them a fraction of what it would cost British Airways or Delta to fix the same plane. It creates a virtuous cycle. The plane is free, no debt. The maintenance is cheap, in-house. The tickets are expensive, premium routes. It is a perfect economic storm. Lufthansa isn't keeping the A340 because they love the past. They are keeping it because they love profit. They have created a parallel business model where obsolete assets generate cash flow that their competitors can't touch. They are proving that in business, new isn't always better. Eventually, the A340s will retire. The new A350s and 787s are coming. But not because the A340 failed. It's retiring as a hero that bridged the gap, saved the airline billions during a crisis, and proved that sometimes The smartest move is to fly the plane that everyone else threw away. So next time you see a 4-engine giant thundering overhead, don't think of it as a dinosaur. Think of it as a flying ATM.